tidak selamanya utuh.
Nenek.
Satu persatu bisa saja runtuh.
With the result, of course. In the press conference previous to the game, we discussed a few things, and I think that the training camp in Bali, you saw also that the way that we played was that also that we trained. So the things that we wanted to see came up as well in the game. Much respect for the China team. They made a very difficult match. But I'm very proud of my team. Very proud of the performance that we showed. Although we didn't really dominated the game. The result is the most important thing, and if you can play with perfect style of play, that's convenient. But most of all, the most important thing is the result, and we're happy with the result. And on this, we're going to build even more solid group. The confidence that's really important. And again, thank you for the fans for showing their love for the team. And I hope that we can build on further on this road.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto ikut menyaksikan pertandingan Timnas Indonesia melawan Tiongkok. Prabowo bersyukur atas kemenangan yang diraih Timnas atas Tiongkok. Prabowo optimistis pada laga tandang melawan Jepang, Indonesia dapat meraih hasil terbaik.
Bersyukur kita berhasil, perjalanan masih ada tantangan ya, kita harus menang lawan Jepang. Tapi insya Allah siapa tahu kali ini kita beruntung bisa masuk Piala Dunia. Siapa tahu, oke? Terima kasih ya.